fertilizer we're making today will have banana peels and potato peels. The reason I chose banana peels is because it's high in phosphorus and potassium, and we needed a nitrogen source, so we chose potatoes, which is high in nitrogen and potassium. So the banana peels and potato peels have been soaking for about a day, and as you can see, I just cut them up and put them in water and let it soak. Now, if you want to make this fertilizer, just know that it stinks. I've never made it before. This is going to be my first time making it, and I can imagine already how bad it smells. So, good luck. So, when you're making this fertilizer, it is fermenting, so you have to cover it loosely so that the gases can escape. So, when you're using this fertilizer, you want to make sure you use it at the base of the plant instead of on the leaves because it can cause fungal issues. So, today is the third week of the homemade fertilizer trial. I used it about at the second week of this fermenting. I'll show you the results now. So the fertilizer I used it on this tree, it is a nachi tree. So does the fertilizer work? Yes. Do I recommend it? I don't think so. There's much better fertilizer that companies make. Sure, this is free, but it comes with a lot of bacteria in it and it can cause fungal issues. So yeah, use it safely and it stinks. It smells bad. Around the third week it started smelling bad. So yeah. I would rather suggest you make your own compost. It takes longer but it's definitely worth the wait. And it doesn't smell as bad.